Bitcoin could retreat 5.1% tomorrow, based on Gov Capital Collector projections. Let's begin with a brief look at today's price direction. As we begin, Bitcoin has risen 5.3% since yesterday and is priced near $69,857.90. Let's transition to the analyst section. Based on digital coin prices projection, the price might slip to $69,076.46 by February 8, with a loss of 0.9%. Bitcoin could retreat towards $68,581.35, according to CoinCodex, approximately 1.6% down. Cryptonization notes it might be on track for $67,647.01 on the downside, implying a loss of 3%. Another prediction from the Capital Collector puts the target for Bitcoin at $66,163.04 on the downside, approximately 5.1% lower. And to end, Traders Union projects $65,524.60 by tomorrow, showing a decline of 6%. This is the top yield scenario. That wraps our top projections. Let's dig further. Let's move forward from the outlooks to the quantitative part. Based on the spread of forecasts we've seen, the market could swing between a decline of 6% and a decline of 0.9%, depending on the analyst. Looking at the numbers, Traders Union comes out on top with 6% gain in value by tomorrow. So it turns out you could make between $9 and $60 for every $1,000 you invest. In terms of probabilities, digital coin prices forecast stands above the rest, showing a 90.2% chance of success. Looking across today's forecasts, I've summarized them into a consensus outlook. According to the average forecast, Bitcoin is expected to hover near $67,398.49. Let's check the details. The consensus outlook indicates a 3.3% fall in price by tomorrow. In that scenario, your capital could also see a rise of about 3.3%. On a 1,000 position, that could potentially translate into about $33 in profit. The chance of this consensus scenario occurring is assessed at approximately 73.4%. At this stage, let's examine the short-term 3-day predictions from analysts. Digital coin price points to further weakness. Meanwhile, CoinCodex emphasizes a downward trajectory. Similarly, cryptonization indicates that prices could dip further. A drop is also expected by Gov Capital Collector, reinforcing the downside view. Meanwhile, Traders Union expects Bitcoin to head lower. The consensus stance reflects a weaker picture, pointing to Bitcoin trending lower. Therefore, every analyst signals the same thing, a move lower for Bitcoin. At this stage, 100% of forecasts lean toward Bitcoin trading weaker. 5 forecasts were posted 2 days ago. Now we can compare them with what happened yesterday. In the end, the daily session finished at $70,561.80. 4 out of 5 analysts aligned with the actual market trend. The leading forecast in terms of accuracy was made by CoinPrice Forecast. Time to spell it out. Yesterday's trading session contained 2 forecasts inside the range. As for ROI, all forecasts showed gains, with the highest return reaching 2.9%. Now appearing on screen is the full results overview. All forecasts fact-checked. The data for Gov Capital Collector shows 3.4% forecast probability, $6,256.15 accuracy, and 1.6% ROI. Try to find which forecasts actually matched how the market moved. Now let's take a look at tomorrow's expected returns across several coins to see where Bitcoin stands. At 4th position we have Bitcoin, and Zcash appears with an expected gain of 670.9%. This section includes Bitcoin and 4 random cryptocurrencies, while a far broader selection will be accessible on my site soon. If you're still here, thank you, and if this gave you value, please like the video before you head out. Talk to you soon.